There was once a motorbike racer named Max who was renowned for his exceptional control skills while driving. He had won numerous races and championships thanks to his unparalleled ability to maneuver his bike with pinpoint precision. Max's talent for controlled driving was evident from a young age. As a child, he would often watch his father, who was a professional racer, practice on the track. Max would sit on the sidelines, observing every move his father made and absorbing all the knowledge he could. By the age of 16, Max had already entered his first amateur race and won it easily. His skill on the bike was immediately apparent to everyone who saw him race, and he quickly gained a reputation as a rising star in the racing world. Over the next few years, Max continued to hone his skills and perfect his control techniques. He practiced tirelessly, spending hours on the track every day, pushing himself to the limit. His hard work paid off, and he began winning races left and right, always impressing the crowds with his incredible control skills. One of the most memorable races in Max's career was the National Championship, where he was up against some of the best racers in the country. The race was intense, with all the racers pushing themselves to the limit. But Max's controlled driving skills gave him the edge he needed to come out on top. Throughout the race, Max was able to navigate tight turns, avoid obstacles, and weave in and out of traffic with ease. He seemed to have an innate sense of where his bike was at all times, and he used this to his advantage to stay ahead of his opponents. In the end, Max crossed the finish line first with a comfortable lead over the other racers. The crowd erupted into cheers as he lifted his arms in triumph, a true champion in every sense of the word. From that day on, Max's name was synonymous with controlled driving, and he continued to inspire a new generation of racers to push themselves to be the best they could be. His legacy lives on today as a true icon of the racing world, whose incredible skill and talent will never be forgotten.